everybody, I'm Lizzie with Advanced Auto Parts, and today I'm going to show you how to jumpstart your vehicle. First, we'll start by connecting the jumper cables. With both vehicles turned off, identify the positive terminals on each of the vehicle's batteries marked in red. Connect one of the positive jumper cable clamps to the dead battery's positive post. Now, connect the other positive jumper cable clamp to the good battery's positive post. Connect the negative clamp to the negative post of the good battery. Be sure to connect the other negative cable to the clean, unpainted metal surface under the disabled vehicle's hood, such as the engine block or the frame. Once the cables are connected, try starting the disabled vehicle. If the disabled vehicle does not start right away, check your connection and let the good vehicle run for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, try starting the disabled vehicle. If the engine does not start, try using the accelerator pedal to increase the RPMs and hold steady to get the alternator to deliver more power to the disabled vehicle. Now, try starting the disabled vehicle. Time to disconnect the cables. Disconnect the cables in the reverse order they were connected, being sure to remove the negative cable first, and ensuring that the free ends of the disconnected cables do not touch each other. Once the cables are safely removed, close and latch the hood. And that's all there is to it. Stay safe. See you next time.